my god.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it. I'll try and stop laughing. Okay. Ready? Do it. Get your face on. Do it. Okay. I'm about to piss myself, man. That's great.
Do it again.
You're gonna do it again.
It looks like I'm having sex.
It looks like you're gonna break out. I told you she laughs like a duck. You do it like a white man. There you go. Go. Okay. Oh my god, we're so stupid. What the hell are you looking at?
Oh, balls. Woo!
You can break dance like that one, dude.
I know.
Wait, what TV show was that? Wasn't that a commercial? It was on Jersey Shore.
Ow! Did you make that?
I told you you could have broke your arm.
Well, I'll do it again. Careless.
If you break your arm, we're gonna have to wake my mom up, and she won't be here.
I'm like a fucking spider.
Yeah, I can't stop laughing. I'm gonna pee myself. Look at what I made. This is what I made. It still needs to be painted blue, but the outside is painted black. Shut up. What the hell are you doing? Wait, we gotta take them. We gotta get them. Okay. Dry 3 tears.
Ooh, it moves. Oh my god.
It does.
Holy balls.
J-Dog.
What's next?
Faggot. My man. My uncle. Faggot number 2. Well, actually, originally number 1. Now. We can't really see you. We can't really see you. It's really dark. Never going down. Really, bro? You're gonna strip in front of a camera? That's called... What is that called?
Wait. We got balls.
Wait. Here's your penis. There's dog food right next to your foot. Or not foot.
Dog shit.
Well, how do you think it comes out at the end? I knew you were gonna do that. Oh my god. Your stupid retainer makes you laugh like a dog. Wow. You're flying. I wanna see if my mom's sleeping. Number ticket in there with her. With us.
We just decided to begin our investigation on the second floor of the mansion, where countless eyewitnesses have seen apparitions, including the most prominent.
She is sleeping, but you can't see her. I knew you were gonna fall.
Okay, I'm ready. They're making
And you fell again. Are you like freaking mental retarded? This thing's moves.
I'm gonna spit on it.
Don't spit on it. Your island, you little twig.
There's a bug.
Where?
There. You can't go.
That's a bug. It's a little fly.
Oh, that's great. Beans. Okay.
Alright, drink.
Now you gotta brush your teeth afterwards. Brushing my teeth.
If you were listening, it was part of the video. We should take a Halloween Dead quiz. See if you were listening.
I'm gonna take your computer downstairs.
Yeah.
I need to charge that.
Yeah.